Imagine a world where your car never needs gas, your home runs on endless power without a single bill, and the key to it all comes from thin air, literally. That's the promise of Maxwell's self-powered device, a revolutionary invention that's finally shipping worldwide and already shocking its first US user. Today, we're diving deep into this game-changing technology innovated by Maxwell Sangulani Chikumbutso. It's called the conversion method with RF device, and it's set to transform how we think about energy. Let's start from the beginning. Maxwell Sangulani Chikumbutso is a self-taught inventor from Zimbabwe. Born in a modest background, he didn't have formal engineering education, but his curiosity and ingenuity led him to extraordinary discoveries. He founded Saith Technologies, a company dedicated to innovative solutions for energy problems. The star of the show is the Microsonic Energy Device, or MSED. This device claims to harness ambient radio frequencies, those invisible waves all around us from radio stations, cell towers, and even space, and convert them directly into usable electrical power. No batteries, no fuel, no solar panels that only work during the day. It's a perpetual energy source that's clean, green, and seemingly infinite. Chikumbutso first gained attention years ago with prototypes that powered electric vehicles without needing to recharge. Picture an electric car that drives forever on radio waves alone. His inventions include self-powered generators, drones that fly indefinitely, and even helicopters. The Greener Power Machine, powered by MSED, can supply electricity to homes, businesses, or entire communities. It operates silently, with no moving parts, no emissions, and protection against lightning. Scalable from small units for individual use to massive systems for industrial needs. After years of development and testing in Zimbabwe, the device is now ready for the global market. Saith Technologies announced that the self-powered device is finally shipping worldwide. This means anyone, anywhere, can order this breakthrough technology. The first shipments have gone out, and reports are coming in from early adopters. But the real buzz is about the first US user. This American pioneer, whose identity remains private for now, installed the device in his home and vehicle. What happened next shocked everyone. His electricity bills plummeted to zero. His car, retrofitted with the MSED, drove cross-country without a single stop for charging. Neighbors couldn't believe it, free energy right in their backyard. Engineers and skeptics flocked to see it in action. Videos surfaced online showing the device powering lights, appliances, and even heavy machinery effortlessly. The US user reported that the installation was straightforward, like setting up a home generator but without the fuel tank. He described the hum of radio waves being captured and transformed into a steady stream of power. This isn't just about saving money, it's about energy independence. No more reliance on oil, coal, or even renewable sources that depend on weather. Chikumbutso's method taps into the ether, the constant background of radio frequencies that blanket the planet. Scientifically, it's based on proprietary techniques using special metals and electrical components to extract and amplify this energy. The device resonates with high-frequency waves, converting them into direct current or alternating current as needed. It's like tuning a radio, but instead of sound, you get electricity. Saith Technologies emphasizes that this is not perpetual motion, which violates physics laws. Instead, it's harvesting existing energy that's always there, from astronomical bodies and human-made signals. The company has engineering reports available for serious investors, showing efficiency and safety. With zero carbon footprint, this could be the answer to climate change. Imagine developing countries leaping ahead with affordable, unlimited power. No need for expensive infrastructure, just deploy the MSED units. In Africa, where Chikumbutso hails from, this could electrify remote villages overnight. Worldwide shipping means Europe, Asia, Australia, everyone can access it. The first US user isn't alone, orders are pouring in from tech enthusiasts and eco-warriors. One testimonial describes how a small business cut costs dramatically by switching to MSED-powered operations. Another user in California powered their off-grid cabin entirely with the device. The shock comes from how seamlessly it integrates into daily life. No noise, no maintenance beyond occasional checks. Chikumbutso's journey wasn't easy. He faced skepticism, funding challenges, and even threats from established energy interests. But with support from Zimbabwe's government, including President Emmerson Mnangagwa, he persevered. Demonstrations have been held, showcasing cars driving without fuel, generators running non-stop. The technology has evolved from early prototypes to polished products ready for consumers. The conversion method with RF device is patented, protecting this innovative approach. It uses a series of antennas and converters to capture broad-spectrum RF signals. These are then rectified and boosted to provide stable power output. For vehicles, it's integrated into the drive system, replacing batteries. For homes, it's like a central power hub. The worldwide shipping marks a milestone. Previously limited to Africa, now it's global. The first US shipment arrived in early 2025, and the user's experience went viral. Social media exploded with videos of the device in action. Experts were stunned, some called it the biggest energy breakthrough since Tesla's inventions. Nikola Tesla himself experimented with wireless energy, and Chikumbutso claims to have built on that legacy. The device is affordable compared to solar setups, with payback in months not years. Installation teams are being trained worldwide to support rollout. Saith Technologies offers warranties and support. This could disrupt the energy market, challenging big oil and utilities. Investors are lining up, seeing trillion-dollar potential. The first US user shared how it empowered his family during a power outage. The device kept everything running. No generators rumbling, just silent, free power. This is the future, self-sustained, eco-friendly, accessible. Chikumbutso's vision is to inspire the world with groundbreaking tech. His story is one of perseverance against odds. From humble beginnings to global innovator. The MSED is more than a device, it's a symbol of human ingenuity. As shipments increase, more stories like the US users will emerge. Shocking, yes, but in the best way. Now, that's the official story, but let's shift gears. In the second half, we're talking rumors. Whispers in the tech world suggest this might be too good to be true. Some say it could be the real deal, a hidden gem from Africa shaking up the status quo. Others rumor it's a clever hoax, preying on hopes for free energy. Let's explore both sides, because the truth might be somewhere in between. On the positive rumor mill, people are buzzing that Chikumbutso has cracked the code Tesla couldn't. Rumors claim secret tests by US engineers left them speechless, confirming the RF conversion works. Maybe the device taps into zero-point energy, a theoretical unlimited source. Whispers from insiders say the first US user is a high-profile tech mogul, keeping low-key to avoid backlash. It could be that big energy is suppressing it, explaining delays in worldwide shipping. Some rumored government deals are in place for military use, powering drones endlessly. Perhaps it's legit, and skeptics are just close-minded. Demos in Zimbabwe reportedly ran for days without input, fueling beliefs it's genuine. Rumors spread that early users in Africa have thriving businesses thanks to free power. It may be the breakthrough we need for climate crisis, rumor has it. On the flip side, dark rumors call it a scam. Skeptics whisper that past claims changed from air power to RF, raising red flags. Maybe the devices have hidden batteries or solar tricks, not true self-power. Rumors say no independent verification, just company demos. It could violate conservation of energy, impossible per physics. Whispers of fraud, with Chikumbutso avoiding peer review. Perhaps the worldwide shipping is hype, no real deliveries yet. The first US user story might be fabricated for marketing. Rumors claim the website lacks purchase options, just FAQs. It may be a Ponzi-like scheme, attracting investors with promises. Some say videos are edited, showing short runs only. Perhaps RF energy is too weak to power anything substantial, as per calculations. Rumors from Reddit call it debunked, with explanations of hidden power sources. It could be cultural pride inflating claims in Zimbabwe. On the maybe side, perhaps partial truth, efficient RF harvesting for small devices. But for cars? Rumors doubt it. Maybe with advancements in 2025, it's possible now. Whispers of quantum effects enabling it. It may not be fully self-powered but highly efficient. Rumors suggest collaborations with universities for validation. Perhaps the shock from US user is real, but exaggerated. On the may not be, rumors point to no patents visible, just claims. It could be vaporware, never actually shipping. Whispers of legal troubles if proven false. Maybe Chikumbutso believes it, but it's placebo tech. Rumors say similar inventions historically failed. It may be a mix, works somewhat, but not as advertised. The rumor style keeps the mystery alive. Some say wait and see, with more users reporting. Others rumor conspiracy to discredit African inventors. Perhaps it's the start of a new era, or end of a dream. Rumors fly that testing labs refused due to fear. It could be that RF interference harms health, unspoken rumor. Maybe not, and it's safe as claimed. Whispers of price affordable or exorbitant? Rumors say units cost thousands, payback dubious. On positive, perhaps subsidies make it free for poor. It may revolutionize, or fizzle out. The first US user shocks, but is it staged? Rumors suggest video evidence manipulated. Perhaps real, and skeptics eat crow. In rumor land, both aspects thrive. May be a genius, may not be. The device ships, or does it? Rumors keep the conversation going. That's the duality of innovation rumors.